Is your food, dear? Okay, Mom. You're too so scared. OMG. This so disgusting. This is not my favorite food. 1 hours later. Lord, this is not my favorite food because this is too disgusting. What? Mom is here. What I will gonna do? Hey dear, why are you not eating your food? That is too cold. Mom, this is not my favorite food. Please, can you cook me a new one? You will eat or no? Yes or no? Or no? Eat that you will not eat every day. Okay, I will eat.